Window cleaning has been a tedious and time-consuming task for centuries. However, the evolution of technology has brought forth a revolutionary solution that takes the hassle out of this mundane chore: window robot cleaners. These intelligent machines are designed to effortlessly glide across windows, using advanced sensors and algorithms to navigate and clean with efficiency and precision. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of window cleaning robots, exploring how they work, how to choose the right window robot cleaner, and providing tips for maintaining your windows clean to provide you with all the essential information. So, let's get started. Number 5. Liectroux YW710 Window Cleaning Robot. The window cleaning robot is designed to deliver superior cleaning for windows and glass surfaces in homes and high-rise buildings. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, this robot ensures efficient and safe cleaning with minimal effort, making it an essential tool for homeowners. Power and voltage. Operating at under 800 watts with a wide voltage range of 100–240 volts, the YW710 provides powerful and energy-efficient cleaning performance, making it suitable for various regions. Material and durability. Built with ABS material, this window cleaner is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring long-lasting durability while effectively cleaning glass surfaces. Suction power. The robot boasts an impressive 3,000 PA suction power, allowing it to adhere securely to windows and glass surfaces during cleaning, preventing falls. Dual water spray system. Featuring both automatic and manual dual water spray functions, the YW710 ensures optimal cleaning results by evenly distributing water for a spotless finish. Anti-fall control. Equipped with a UPA system, the YW710 provides anti-fall protection during power outages, keeping the robot securely attached to windows for up to 20 minutes. Control modes. Users can easily control the robot through either a remote control or the dedicated smartphone app, offering flexibility and convenience. Quiet operation. Operating at a noise level of 65 decibels, this robot ensures a quiet cleaning experience without disturbing your surroundings. Cleaning modes. With 4 cleaning modes, NZ, N+Z, and fixed-pointed, the robot covers a wide range of surface areas, ensuring comprehensive cleaning. Compact design. The robot's dimensions of 216 by 216 x 62 mm make it compact and easy to store, while the 650 mAh battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning. The Liectroux YW710 window cleaning robot is an innovative, smart solution for window cleaning. With its powerful suction, dual water spray, and easy control options, it offers efficient, hands-free cleaning for any home. The next is Number 4. XMSJ Water Spray Window Cleaning Robot. The window cleaning robot is an advanced solution designed to clean high-rise windows with ease and precision. Equipped with intelligent features and a powerful motor, this robot ensures sparkling clean windows without the risk or hassle of manual cleaning. Input voltage. With a voltage range of AC 100–240 volts and frequency of 50 Hz–60 Hz, the XMSJ robot is compatible with most electrical systems, offering versatility for global users. Powerful motor. The cleaner operates at 80 watts, delivering efficient cleaning performance. Its brushless motor ensures longevity and smoother operation, enhancing the overall durability of the device. Battery capacity and UPS power. The built-in 500 mAh battery provides emergency power with a 20-minute uninterruptible power supply UPS, ensuring the robot stays securely attached to the window even during power outages. Suction power. With a suction power of 5,600 pascals, the XMSJ cleaner securely grips glass surfaces, allowing for thorough cleaning without the risk of falling. Compact and lightweight. The external dimensions of 295 by 145 x 68 mm and a net weight of only 1.05 kilograms make this robot compact and easy to handle without sacrificing power or performance. Noise level. Operating at a noise level of 65 decibels, the robot ensures a quiet cleaning experience without disturbing your surroundings. Cleaning modes and water spray. The XMSJ window cleaner offers 3 cleaning modes and features both manual and automatic water spraying methods, ensuring thorough and flexible cleaning options. Border detection. Its automatic border detection feature ensures the robot efficiently cleans all window surfaces without falling off edges, making it perfect for high-rise buildings. With its intelligent design, powerful suction, and versatile water spray options, the XMSJ water spray window cleaning robot is a top choice for homeowners looking to simplify their window cleaning tasks. Perfect for high-rise buildings, it delivers convenience, safety, and spotless results. The next is number 3. PuRuiKai Ultra-Thin Robot Window Cleaner. The robot window cleaner is designed to make window cleaning easier and more effective for homeowners. With a sleek design and intelligent features, this electric glass cleaning robot offers an efficient solution to keeping your windows spotless without manual effort. Power and voltage. The PuRuiKai window cleaner operates at less than 800 watts, providing an energy-efficient yet powerful cleaning experience. Its wide voltage range of 110 volts to 240 volts ensures compatibility with different power systems, making it versatile for various regions. Cord length. Featuring a 5-meter cord, this window cleaner provides ample reach for cleaning large glass surfaces without needing to be constantly moved. Material and durability. Built from a mix of durable materials, the PuRuiKai robot cleaner is sturdy and designed to withstand regular use, offering long-lasting performance. Ultra-thin design. The slim profile of the PuRuiKai cleaner makes it ideal for accessing narrow spaces, such as between window panes, ensuring a thorough and comprehensive cleaning. Remote control. The device is controlled via remote, allowing users to operate it easily from a distance, adding convenience to its functionality. Certifications. The PuRuiKai window cleaner is C-certified, adhering to high international safety and quality standards. This certification guarantees the product's reliability and performance. The PuRuiKai ultra-thin robot window cleaner is perfect for busy households looking for an easy and reliable way to maintain clean windows. Its efficient power usage, extended cord length, and ultra-thin design ensure it can handle even hard-to-reach areas. With remote control functionality and durable materials, this robot window cleaner is an essential tool for keeping your home's windows gleaming effortlessly. The next is number 2. CHOVERY Robot Window Cleaner. The robot vacuum cleaner for windows is designed to make window cleaning simple and effective. With advanced features, this electric glass cleaning robot ensures spotless windows with minimal effort. Whether used at home or in a commercial setting, this device combines convenience, performance, and safety. Power and voltage. Operating at under 800 watts and supporting a voltage range of 110 volts to 240 volts, the CHOVERY window cleaner is energy efficient while providing enough power to handle various glass surfaces effectively. Cord length. Equipped with a 5-meter-long cord, the robot has the flexibility to clean larger windows without requiring frequent repositioning. Material and durability. Constructed from a mix of materials, the CHOVERY window cleaner ensures durability and resistance to wear over time, making it a long-lasting cleaning solution. Certifications. The robot is certified with C, CB, RoHS, and UL standards, ensuring that it meets international safety and quality requirements. Emergency power supply. In case of a power outage, the CHOVERY robot comes with an emergency power supply system. This feature ensures that the device stays attached to the window for safety until power is restored. Remote control. The device can be operated easily via a remote control, allowing users to manage its functions without manual intervention. Compact size. Measuring 300 by 150 x 120 millimeters, the CHOVERY window cleaner is compact and easy to store when not in use. The CHOVERY robot window cleaner is an excellent tool for anyone looking to simplify their window cleaning routine. Its robust power, advanced safety features, and ease of control make it a reliable option for both residential and commercial use. With certifications from multiple international organizations, it guarantees safety and efficiency in every use. The next is number 1. ABIR WD-8 Robot Window Cleaner. The window cleaner is a cutting-edge solution for maintaining spotless windows and glass surfaces in your home. Engineered with modern features such as dual water spray, smart memory, and high vacuum suction, this cleaning robot simplifies glass maintenance while ensuring efficiency and safety. Power and suction. The ABIR WD-8 operates at a suction power of 3000 PA, allowing it to adhere firmly to glass surfaces while cleaning. Its high vacuum suction ensures efficient dirt and grime removal. Dual water spray. The robot features both automatic and manual dual water spray modes, which ensure thorough cleaning by evenly spraying water or cleaning solution on the surface. Smart memory and edge detection. Equipped with smart memory technology, the ABIR WD8 remembers its cleaning path to avoid repetitive cleaning. Its automatic edge detection system prevents the robot from falling off, even when cleaning frameless windows. Multiple cleaning modes. With 4 distinct cleaning modes N, Z, N+Z, and fixed-pointed cleaning, the WD8 adapts to various cleaning patterns, providing flexibility based on your window size and dirt levels. Anti-fall protection. The built-in UPS, uninterruptible power supply system offers up to 40 minutes of backup in case of power failure, ensuring the robot remains safely attached to the window. Remote and app control. The WD8 can be controlled via a remote or a smartphone app, making it convenient to manage the cleaning process from anywhere. Built with durable ABS material and designed for high efficiency, the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner is a reliable and intelligent solution for maintaining clean glass surfaces with minimal effort. Ideal for both home and commercial use, it offers powerful performance and advanced features in a sleek, compact design, so this is the best option for you to buy.